Your Excellency, permit me at this stage to stand on the existing protocol. Your Excellency and distinguished guests, I feel honored and consider it a great privilege to be invited as a special guest and to deliver a goodwill message at this summit. I'm pleased to be here, Your Excellency. The theme of this summit, Rivers Emerge, Advancing Pathways to Economic Growth and Sustainability, is apt in all ramifications and captures the mood of the current administration in the state. It is not a moot point that there is a correlation between economic investment/growth and the effective judicial system. An efficient judicial system provides the framework for stability and economic development. We all know that one of the major functions of the judiciary is to interpret and apply laws to specific cases. In deciding disputes, the judge interprets and applies laws because every statute needs a proper interpretation for getting applied to every specific case. Judiciary as a catalyst for economic growth. The judiciary plays an important role in economic development through fast resolution of commercial disputes. Disputes cannot be totally avoided in commercial transactions. However, such commercial disputes should be speedily resolved if litigated upon. In the success words of a solicitor and arbitrator, Timidaye Adewoye, 2021, he opened, I quote, where disputes arise, the mechanism available for their speedy and just resolution is usually a factor that investors watch out for before investing in any country. Investors will typically consider the forum for resolution of commercial dispute in the jurisdiction where he is intending to invest. He saw that can ensure that justice is not only served, but that the winner of the dispute can easily enjoy the fruits of the resolution speedily, unquote. In his words, the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, observed that, I quote, justice sector is a key catalyst or stimulator for economic growth, investment drive, and revenue generation, among others, unquote. Your Excellency and distinguished guests, the foregoing raise the critical question: how much can the local and international investors rely on the Rivers State Judiciary and the strive for a just business society that can project prosperity for the state and other key holders? Efforts of the Rivers State Judiciary in ensuring quick dispensation of justice. Your Excellency and distinguished guests, it is gratifying to know that there are adequate provisions in the Rivers State High Court Civil Procedure Rules 2023, midwife under my watch, to ensure speedy and just dispensation of cases, including commercial disputes, thereby endangering safety and protection of investment. Innovations such as e-filing of cases are operational in Rivers State Judiciary. In the area of alternative dispute resolution, ADR, Rivers State Judiciary's multi-door courthouse is functioning. The multi-door courthouse was inaugurated 14th of October 2021 as a court-connected alternative dispute resolution. The court where commercial dispute can be speedily addressed through available mechanisms best suited for them and issues are resolved. It is disheartening that companies operating in Rivers State, lawyers and litigants are not making use of the multi-door. They are interested in litigation, and that's why our courts are congested with cases that should ordinarily go to the multi-door, where you have arbitration, conciliation, and others. We have also sometime in 2023, inaugurated the Small Claims Court. The Small Claims Court has its jurisdiction limited to 5 million and has the 60 days within which to conclude and deliver its judgment. It is for the small claims, micro, and enterprises. And we have done a lot of publicity for litigants to utilize the court instead of filing cases at the magistrate court. I assure Your Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, that Rivers State Judiciary is fully in support of the state government effort in driving sustainable economic growth and development in the state. I assure you, I assure in protecting investment and advancing economic development of the state via quick resolution of commercial dispute.